I mean, I took it. I took it and I did it. But this is a lie. Like, high paying offer. How is something that's not paying $10? And $10 ain't a high pay, but like, how is something that's not paying $10 and it's not even 2 to 1 miles to money? Like, it's not, it's a 3-mile order. How is this in any world a high paying offer? I don't get it. I don't get it. I really don't. So check it out. This is my little area right here. And you see, I be in Edwardsville. Oh, they got a peak pay downtown. Hold on that. You know, I don't like no peak pay because that means you ain't getting no orders. But look at that. They got that $2 peak pay. And then you got, what zone is this? Oh, that ain't no zone. That's me closing this shit down. Hold on. All right, then you got, what zone is that? Next to downtown. You got Webster Groves. They not busy. And you got Melville, Kirkwood, Creve Coeur. That's a nice little area to work. And you got Chesterfield. If you thinking about coming to St. Louis, I'm going to show you where not to go. Look at that shit. This order is actually paying better than this one. Ain't that crazy? And I'm literally behind Wingstop right now. Not doing it. It's crazy. So look. This right here is downtown St. Louis. If you come to St. Louis, you do not go to this zone right here. This is where I grew up. This is where I went to high school, college, all of that shit, okay? This right here is North County. You don't want to go there. The bottom half is the North City. We call it the North Side. This is North County. This other zone, Hazelwood, Florissant, Ferguson. This is where the Michael Brown shit happened right here in Ferguson. Y'all remember that shit? Yeah. Don't take your ass over there at all. Everything over here is a trash order. All of these customers are clowns. Even if you ain't a clown, you live in a radius of so many clowns, you automatically a clown because you live too close to clowns. Now you got Maryland Heights. Maryland Heights is a little bit better. Actually, it's way better. This is actually like trash over here. This shit always busy. That's how much trash it is. Maryland Heights, now you moving a little bit west. You going in the right direction. You gonna be all right. Creve Coeur, you good. Chesterfield, you good. Clayton, University City, you can be good in this area, but you also can get like some inner city bullshit if you get too close over here. So be careful over there. Webster Groves, it can get a little hood over there too, don't get me wrong, but for the most part, people be about their business over there, so you ain't finna worry about shit. That you south of the zoo once you get to this point, so you good over here. Now Melville, Oakville, now you in South County, so now you completely outside of the city limits. It's still some bullshit, but you ain't gonna have nothing near like you gonna have in downtown or on the north side or over here on the west side. Oh my God, you look. If you dash right in here, you better keep the pistola on you. I'm gonna just let you know right now. You turning your car off, okay? Don't be walking around with no fucking Doordash shirt on. Don't be walking around with no Doordash bag looking like a target. I'm telling you, this day, take it from me. Now you get over here by the airport, you a little bit good, but this is North County and the police be tripping over here, boy. They'll pull your ass over for nothing. So just giving you a little heads up, you know what I'm saying? Now you get out here to St. Peter's, nigga, that's all green grass. You good, but you're gonna drive a long way to get there. And then you got O'Fallon out there. I ain't even going out there. That's too damn far from me. But yeah, if you ever come to St. Louis, do not dash in North City or North County. Take it from me. Now, my mom, she stay in Florissant. My mama and my sister still stay in Florissant. I'll go up there and I'll turn the app on when I'm up there. All $2 orders on my soul. Let me see. Look, they got promos over there and everything else. Yeah, you don't want to go over there. They got a $2 peak pay. Yeah, you don't want to go over there. Stay away from there. I keep my girl on me. I heard that everyone is raised and not on the delivery fees. I heard that. No sundown towns either. I hate to have to pull my heat. I feel you. I'm trying to tell you. Look, hey, I'm trying to tell you. If you come